Welcome back to the channel, guys. Look at this. Today we got some deliveries. Check it out. We got some parts for this. All right, I'm gonna flip this around, show you what we're dealing with. All right, in previous videos we definitely noticed that we need headers. So, by the generous donations of my bosses, here you go. Not donations, but we got a new used set of headers. Got the servo, and that will completely replace everything from this bracket forward. So all that exhaust system work can be removed. And I already started taking bolts off, but it's gonna be really tough to get them loose because it's all cramped up. But now we can just destroy them and get them off. Next, there's door number 1. Door number 2. Check this out. This case on the side here. We have a somebody stripped the paint off of this. I'm not sure why, but check it out. No hole. So they got no hole. So that will alleviate the problem there. So now I need to get a gasket. Believe it or not, I had trouble finding out which gasket I need because apparently eBay doesn't know. But now I can match it up to what it should look like here. There are so many different ones that I needed to see it off in order to figure out exactly what I need. But I guess we'll have to paint it. I'd rather just put it on and run it, but I don't know. Looks pretty good in that color. This one, I could polish it. That'd be kind of weird. Okay, so we got that. Now, here's a box of goodies. Shout out to everyone that has sent these to me. If you need parts for some of this stuff, let me know, because these guys were great down in Florida and Pennsylvania. Alright, so what do we got here? Here we have... Now, this is only going to be needed if I actually put the ram air back on. But this fits on here, I guess. I think it goes up here somewhere. I honestly, now that I'm seeing it, do not know. I think it goes up here somehow. But for now, the front end is this, and it's not going to be. But, yeah, this was busted, I think. So anyway, we have that. And this was another delivery. That's for steering nuts. Oh, I forgot. This is a free thing from Wish. I can hold my phone so it's not bouncing around everywhere. Here we have a cooling fan for the radiator, which needs replaced still. So I still need the radiator, and cooling fan is new, used. Rear seat, look, optimism, because we don't have a passenger rear seat now. But the optimism is, I'm gonna get this running, and then we can have a rear seat pad. Perfect. And what do we got down here? This is, see a little bit. There's a brake line. So this is going to be everything for the rear set, and I believe there is a good brake pedal there too. So that's going to be this, the line connecting here, and everything up into this brake thing here. So there we go. So all this part. So that's going to take care of that. Still need more parts, but I thought I'd send out a quick video, let you know where we're at on that and what has arrived. So pretty exciting. Like I said, still need a gasket to go with the left side engine cover. But other than that, it's a happy day. And show you how we make out getting through this. Anyway, like and subscribe if you want to, and we'll catch you on the next one. Oh, more videos coming on the Goldwing. There you go. Have a great one. Bye.